Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can use Capcut PC offline. Okay, here I have opened my Capcut application on my PC, and as you can see that here I don't have any internet connection. And unfortunately, we cannot access some features on Capcut when we're offline, and I'm going to show you what kind of features that we cannot access when we're offline. But before it, I'm going to show you the features that can be accessed when we're offline. So the first thing that we can access or that we can use when we're offline is the split feature. So we can still split the video even though we're offline. We can also freeze the video, reverse the video, and mirror the video. We can still crop the video as well. So we can use all these features when we're offline. We can also add voiceover to our video, and then we can still speed up our video. You just need to go to the speed option, then you can speed up your video or make your video become slower. And we can still do adjustment to our video. We can adjust the brightness, the contrast, highlight. And then I'm going to show you what kind of features we cannot access when we're offline. So the first one is sticker and effect, transition, folders. However guys, don't worry, because I want to give you a tips. Even though when you are offline, you can still access all these features. So as you can see that here I can still add this transition to my clip even though I'm offline. And why I can add this transition, because when I was online I have downloaded this transition so I can use it when I'm offline. So the tips is you have to download the transition or the effect or sticker that you want to use when you're online so you can use them when you're offline. And I'm going to add the effect as well. I'm going to add the effect that I have downloaded. So this is the effect that I have downloaded when I was online, and I'm going to add it to my video. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can use Capcut offline. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.